Popeyes released their new biscuit mix in stores, and today I'll be giving it a try. I'll use the biscuit mix to make these chicken biscuits and review them at the end of the video. First, we're going to prepare the chicken. Place 1 pound of boneless chicken breast on a cutting board. Then pat the chicken dry with a napkin. Now slice the chicken breast horizontally with a sharp knife. Then cut the chicken breast into small pieces. Make sure the pieces are around the same size as your slider buns. When you're finished, set the chicken breast to the side. Now we're going to make the seasoning blend. In a small bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of pepper. Next, we're going to prepare the marinade. In a large bowl, mix together 1 1/3 cup of buttermilk, a 1/4 cup of hot sauce, a 1/4 cup of pickle juice, 1 egg, and the seasoning blend we made before. When you're finished mixing everything together, add the pieces of chicken. Gently toss the chicken in the marinade to make sure each one is thoroughly coated. Then place the chicken in the fridge to marinate for 1 to 3 hours or overnight. When the chicken is nearly ready, take a dish and add 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, a half a cup of cornstarch, and the same seasoning mixture we used for the marinade. Then mix everything together until well combined. When you're finished, take the chicken out of the fridge. Then add some of the marinade into the flour mixture. This will create the crispy bits on the chicken when we fry it. Now remove the chicken from the marinade, letting the excess marinade drip off. Dredge the chicken in the seasoned flour mixture, pressing it in and making sure it's well coated. Let the chicken rest for 10 minutes before frying. While the chicken rests, heat a neutral oil in a pot or deep fryer to 350 degrees. Once the oil is hot and the chicken is ready, you can go ahead and fry them. Fry the chicken in batches for 4 to 6 minutes or until golden brown and cooked through. Once the chicken is finished frying, place them on a wire rack or a paper towel covered plate to drain. Once you finish frying all of your chicken, let them rest for 10 minutes, then increase the temperature of the oil to 375 degrees, and then refry the chicken for 1 minute. Double frying the chicken is going to make them extra crispy. Once you've finished frying the chicken, set them to the side until you're ready to use them later. Now we're going to make the biscuits. Pour the biscuit mix in a large bowl. Then add 1 cup of cold water and 4 tablespoons of softened butter. Then gently mix everything together until a soft dough forms and the butter is evenly dispersed. When you finish mixing everything together, then scoop 10 portions, around 3 tablespoons each, onto a greased baking sheet. I wanted my biscuits to be a little bigger, so I made them into 8 portions instead. Next, place the biscuits in the oven at 400 degrees for 18 minutes. While the biscuits are baking in the oven, we're going to make the honey butter. In a bowl, add 4 tablespoons of softened butter and 2 tablespoons of honey. Then mix the butter and honey together until well combined. When you're finished, set the butter to the side. Once the biscuits have finished baking in the oven, brush the honey butter on top of each biscuit. Now that we've finished making the biscuits, we can go ahead and assemble the chicken biscuit. First, cut the biscuit in half. Then place a piece of chicken on the bottom half of the biscuit. Then place the other half of the biscuit on top. And that's it, you're all done. And this is the finished result. So these biscuits do not taste or look like traditional Popeyes biscuits. They kind of look better, honestly. Oh, and the biscuits were really moist and fluffy. My only complaint is that the biscuits were a bit salty in my opinion. Other than that, the biscuits are alright. I probably wouldn't buy them again because, like I said, it was pretty salty. Alright, that's it for this video. Let me know in the comments if you've tried the new Popeyes biscuit mix and what did you think of it. I'll have everything I used in this video in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.